How to pin a sticker to Instagram Reels. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to pin a sticker to Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram and you will get right here on your feed. So we will need to open up our Instagram camera to create a reel, and I'll show you how to pin a sticker. So let's swipe and it will take us to our Instagram camera. Here at the bottom, you need to switch to Reels instead of Stories or Live. Once you get to Reels here, you will need to record a reel you want to post. So I have quickly recorded a reel, you can see, just like for a few seconds. Now I can add a filter to it or maybe a music. Okay, let's go with this one. And we can select the layout, the timer. Once you're done with this, you're going to click on Next. And now we have some more options. You can see at the top we have music, we have stickers and filters. So you're going to select sticker from here, and we can actually pin any kind of sticker now on our Instagram reel. We have add yours, we have quiz, poll, then we have some of the other stickers. So if you're looking for something, you can add it too. So let's actually go with maybe this one right here. This is going to be like a sticker. Then maybe I can add a poll as well or a quiz. So this will be added in my Instagram reels. Any sticker you want. For example, you want something like aesthetic, so you're just gonna search for it, and then you can add it to your Instagram reel. Place it here. This is how we pin stickers on Instagram reels. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.